Lately, Twitter has been a buzz with a new day trading diva called David Portnoy. David Portnoy is actually specializes in betting in sporting events. Since there are no sporting events now, he is betting in stocks. A lot of people have been advising. Some site called Robinhood has been doing the same thing. So then, in the latest Twitter post, he has taken a big swing at Warren Buffett, saying that Buffett sold too early and you could have made a lot of money in airlines. So, what is trading? Let's take a look. Welcome back to Be Rich. Day trading or swing trading or momentum trading, by whatever name you call it, requires no brains, requires no research, requires no fundamental analysis, no understanding of the economy. Believes in an ancient science of charts with the hope that the past always repeats itself. So there are certain points in the stock market where the trend reverses and the trend uptrend continues. The fact remains the Dow, which was at less than 1,000 about in 1950s, is now trading at 30,000. If the past has to repeat itself, Dow should find its way back to 1,000. This is never going to happen. These are basic. I do not know of any chartist in my life who has made billions of dollars. Buffett, by sticking to his position of fundamental value investing, is sitting with $128 billion in cash. Not a single trader whom I have met who relies only on day trading and swing trading and who does not carry any position overnight has made $1 billion, let alone have $1 billion in cash. This is basically a ploy employed by brokers to entice novice retail retail investors into trading. They believe that trading is a new business in which regular income is possible. From 2008, when new wave brokers have been there in India, I have seen in every time there is a bull market, a new set of lambs will be brought into the stock market. They will come every day to the broker's office with a lunch packed and sit there and trade there for the whole day, lose some money and go. These are basically out of work middle aged men who sit and who are squandering their money. I have seen some sad cases where people have borrowed money to invest in stock markets. I am reminded of the great Phil Carrier, who lived for 100 years between 1900 to 2000. He was there in the Great Depression. He was there for the bust of 2000. He said, in 100 years, he has never seen a day trader who's made money on margins. Day trading is definitely a way to destruction and destroying your family wealth and family peace of mind. It is impossible to find a definitive pattern and make money. Those who give commentary are doing this with the purpose of hindsight bias by saying if you had done this, you would have made money. If making money by looking at charts was so easy, these people will not be sitting in television channels and giving you commentary and peddling advice and running websites. They will be buying and selling on their own, using their secret sauce and making billions for themselves. Let me give you an example. George Soros does not believe in graphs and trades. He does not believe in charts, but he is a great macroeconomics trader. He takes positions in currencies, interest rates, bonds, stocks, depending on macroeconomic environment. Sometimes it works in his favor, sometimes it goes against him. The first big macroeconomic bet which he took and succeeded was in 1992 when he broke the Bank of England. But he did not go advertising himself. This is my technology. This is the chart. The Deutsche Mark has to move in this direction. The pound will move in this direction. He did take a bet and he made $1 billion. And once he succeeded, the newspapers got the news and they came rushing to him. Soros never says, this is every day he doesn't tweet. George Soros does not tweet every day. This is my macroeconomic position. That is my macroeconomic position. Soros also does not make money by getting in the morning, getting into the market in the morning and getting out in the evening. He expects a certain macroeconomic environment to play out and he waits for it to play out fully. It may happen in 3 months, it may happen in 6 months, or he may lose some money. But there is no strategy to make money every day by buying in the morning and selling in the evening, like what Renaissance Technologies does. So Please don't fall for this mumbo jumbo, thinking that the market has suddenly rallied from 7,500 to 10,000 and it is going to 12,000, 13,000, and there's only one way up. The brokers and the mutual fund guys would like you to believe it, but the sad truth is earnings are going set to collapse and can go back to 2014 levels. Sooner or later, markets have to follow. So be patient, do your research, and buy the right company. Thank you for watching Be Rich. If you like my video, hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification. I have given a WhatsApp number. If you want to buy my books, please send a message to that number. At the very end, if you want to speak to me directly, please send a mail to berichenglish@gmail.com. The books for which you have paid till last week have been dispatched. Madras is having a complete lockdown from tomorrow, so my delivery will start Monday on 29th. Some of the books that have been dispatched have returned. Please write to us. We will try to send them through speed post once your delivery center goes out of red zone. Thank you for watching Be Rich.